Hello, this is Michael in Fulton Science. I want to do a quick update on my garden. This is my sunflower plant, doing pretty well. There's a moringa. Planted a bunch of these around my yard. Pumpkins are getting ready to go. This pumpkin's ready. Rosemary is getting bigger. Got a few little limes behind that leaf. Tons of flowers and lantanas. Pond's doing great. These grapevine cuttings are going nuts. Pretty substantial, so they should be putting out fruit next year. So my honeydew's back there. I'll go over there in a sec. There's tons of little fish in here. My lemon tree to the left, I don't know if you saw it. There's like tons of little mosquito fish. They're having tons of babies. I think a lot of bugs and stuff are falling in the water, and so they're devouring them. There's a pumpkin plant right here. Massive tomato plant right there. A watermelon here. This is the brand new volunteer plant. I had a watermelon I wrought, and the watermelon plant popped out. Honeydew. A bunch of honeydew about to become ready. Another one. Checking how ripe it is. Needs more time. Ooh, my chives are putting out flowers. That's exciting. Have to harvest some chive seeds and see if I can get a bigger clump of chives. Maybe I'll move them away from my orange tree. Another honeydew over there. Right by the grapevine. Eventually I'd like to surround my yard with grapevines. This is my orange tree. Another moringa. Put these cages around them because the dog likes to nibble on them. I guess they taste good or something. Another pumpkin. Bunch of tomato plants scattered in there. Kind of a chaos garden. That's all tomato plants. Grapefruit tree over there. You can see those. This is my big grapevine. Tons of growth this year. I'm gonna probably get hundreds of cuttings. So if you know anyone that wants grapevines, let me know. I got a few moringas that I stuck on the ground here too. See? And then all over here is mustard greens. Got a bunch of mustard seeds and I scattered them in a cover crop mix. This is Mud being naughty. He just tore up something. Mud. He knows he did something wrong. He's so cute. I think it was an egg crate or something. I had that set aside for something else, and he likes to tear stuff up. Funny little dog. I got these projects going on. A bunch of rosemary cuttings. Hopefully they root soon. And then here's some rose cuttings that are putting out a bunch of growth. Doing some experiments with this media. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.